Hey guys, welcome back to edition 1, and today I'll be showing you how to replace the speakers on a laptop. So let me just play a video from my channel, and you can actually hear how bad the speakers are. I've already got the speakers from this online platform called Shopee. I will be adding the link in the description later so you can get it for yourself if you need it. And the tools that we'll be needing are precision tools. To access the speakers inside, we need to remove these 5 screws: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly pry open. Okay, so you can see that these are the speakers 1 and 2. In order to remove the speakers, we have to remove this battery first. So there are 3 screws holding this battery: 1, 2, and 3. And to get the battery out, you'll see that there is a small tape here. You just got to hold it here and lift it up. This was the contact point, the connecting point. Okay, we'll put that aside. Both speakers are connected to the motherboard here, so we'll be removing this connection first. These speakers are held by 3 screws: 1, 2, 3 on this side, and on this side 3 as well: 1, 2, and 3. Now we just hold on to the wire and we remove it from its mounting clips. And it's out. You can see how bad it is actually. It's all broken. So out with the old and in with the new. The installation is going to be pretty simple. It's just exactly a reversal of how we got it uninstalled just now. So we connect this connector here back to its place and make sure slip the wire back into its mounting brackets, mounting clips. And we can secure it with the screws now. Now, before installing the battery back, I'll also be replacing this BIOS battery. I've already got the double-sided foam tape on this as well, so I'll be sticking it here like this. And now time to install the battery, like that. Okay, and this side as well. And don't forget to push this in, and we'll get back the 3 screws in. 1, 2 and 3. And now time to get the cover back in. So now it's time to test run our speakers. So time for test run. You guys heard it, the speakers run really well now, it's clear and it sounds good. So that's all for now, and thank you for watching guys. See you guys in the next video.